Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to stop others from reusing your video content on your TikTok account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Go ahead and click on profile. Go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner. Proceed to settings and privacy. Proceed to privacy right here. Scroll down right here. Proceed to reuse of content. Go ahead and click on allow reuse of content. Click on everyone right here. Then switch from everyone to one friend. It's that simple. With that, everyone will not be able to reuse your video content on your TikTok account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your TikTok profile privacy and easy, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.